Welcome to Slider Revolution 7. In this video, you'll get a quick overview of our brand new editor. Let's start at the top. The top bar is where you'll find fast access to all the core functions of the editor. First up, Settings. This is where you configure the overall module. You can choose the module type, like a hero, slider, or carousel, set the layout to full width or full screen, and fine-tune key options such as slideshow progress, navigation elements, and add-on management, along with many other module-level settings available from here. Next, Slides. This is where you manage all the slides in your module. You can edit, duplicate, or delete slides, drag and reorder them, assign custom thumbnails, and even schedule slides to appear at specific times. Then we have the Timeline. This opens the animation timeline for the current slide and switches the editor into animation mode. We'll take a much closer look at this in the dedicated animation mode video. The Layers panel gives you a complete overview of every layer on the current slide. You can reorder layers, manage nested groups and columns, and easily select layers that might be hard to click on the stage. From here, you also get access to the Bulk Editor, which lets you swap fonts or colors across the entire module in just a few clicks. Next is Add. Slider Revolution is all about visual creation, and this is where it starts. From the Add panel, you can quickly insert text, buttons, icons, shapes, containers, navigation elements, and much more, including special effect layers from our add-ons. At the top, you'll also find the Device Selector. The editor is an exact visual representation of how your module will look on your website. You can resize the stage using the drag handles to preview different screen sizes. The device icons show which breakpoints are active and allow you to switch between them instantly to fine-tune your design. You can enable up to 5 custom device sizes, from widescreen all the way down to mobile. Over on the right side of the top bar is the Preview toolbar. Here you can preview your module live in a new browser tab, even before saving. You can undo and redo changes at any time, and the Publish button shows all available embedding options. Of course, you can also simply insert your module using the Slider Revolution. Finally, the right sidebar. This is where you switch between the 3 main editing modes: Design mode, Animation mode, and Action mode. Each of these modes has its own dedicated video, where we'll go into much more detail. And that's a quick tour of the top bar in Slider Revolution 7. Let's move on and explore the editor modes next.